Hello and welcome to my channel. And today's video we are going to be talking about how to grow red roses from cuttings and pots. Red roses are one of the most beautiful flower out there, and growing them from cutting can be a rewarding and fulfilling experience. With a few simple steps, you can propagate your own red rose plants and enjoy their beauty in your garden. The first step is to collect cutting from a healthy and mature red rose plant. Choose a stem that is about 6 inches long and has several leaves. Cut the stem at a 45-degree angle just below a node, a bump on the stem where a leaf grows. Step 2 is prepare your cuttings. Remove the leaves from the bottom half of the stem, leaving a few leaves at the top. Dip the cut end of the stem in rooting hormone to help it develop roots faster. If you don't have rooting hormone, you can still grow your cuttings, but it may take longer for them to root. Step 3, plant your cutting. Fill a small pot with well drained soil and make a small hole in the center. Insert the cut end of the stem into the soil, making sure that the bottom half of the stem is buried. Water the soil until it's moist but not soaking wet. Place your pot in a warm and bright location but out of direct sunlight. Make sure the soil stays moist but not waterlogged, and mix the leaves with water every few days to keep the hydrated. Step 5, wait for your cutting to root. Be patient and wait for your cutting to root. This can take anywhere from a few weeks to a few months, depending on the variety of red rose and the conditions in which it's being grown. Once you see new growth emerging from the stem, it's good sign that the cutting have rooted. Step 6, transplant your red roses. Once your cutting have rooted and are growing well, it's time to transplant them into a larger pot or into your garden. Choose a sunny and well drained location and plant your red roses at the same depth as they were in the original pot. And that's it. With a little patience and care, you can grow beautiful red roses from cuttings. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.